Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to remove a show from the Netflix Continue Watching list. The Netflix Continue Watching list can be an incredibly convenient way to quickly find and pick up where you left off watching something. Alternatively, if you've been watching something embarrassing or that you're not supposed to be and you don't want the other people who use your Netflix account to find out, it can be a nightmare. Thankfully, you can easily get rid of Netflix Continue Watching list items you don't want other people to see in your Netflix account. Now let's walk through the steps to delete Netflix Continue Watching list shows and movies. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to netflix.com, and then log into your Netflix account. You'll land on your Netflix home screen. Step 2. Click the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen to open a drop-down menu. Click Account in the drop-down menu. Your Netflix account screen appears. Step 3. Scroll down to the My Profile section on your Netflix account screen, and then click Viewing Activity in this section. The My Activity screen appears, displaying a list of the Netflix shows you've either started watching or have fully watched. Step 4. Scroll through this list to find either the show or series you want to remove from your Netflix Continue Watching list. In this example, I'll find an episode of Dropping Cash that I started. Step 5. Click the Hide from Viewing History icon on the far right side of the line associated with the show you want to delete from your Netflix Continue Watching list. This icon is a circle with a line through the center of it. The line item for that show will be replaced with a message that says within 24 hours, your show will no longer appear in Netflix as a show you have started watching, unless you start watching it again. If you want to remove an entire series of a show from your Netflix Continue Watching list, click the Hide Series button that now appears to the right of that message if the show you removed is part of a series. All other episodes of that show in your list will now display a removal message as well. Typically, you don't have to wait 24 hours for a show to be removed from your Netflix Continue Watching list, and you can navigate back to the list immediately and verify that the show or series was removed. Congratulations, you now know how to remove a show from Netflix Continue Watching. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.